Welcome to Oath&Ink Academy. As a loan signing agent, how you handle paperwork before and after the signing is just as important as the signing itself. This lesson walks you through printing correctly, organizing your package, staying inside your legal boundaries, and getting documents scanned back on time. By the end, you'll have a repeatable process that protects you, your client, and the lender. Let's get started. Let's break this down. This process has 4 stages: printing your package correctly, organizing it for a smooth signing, respecting the UPL boundary while you work, and scanning documents back accurately and on time. What does this actually mean in real situations? It means one small printing error or a missed scan back deadline can delay funding for your client. We'll walk through each stage so nothing falls through the cracks. Here's what to know about printing. Always print single-sided unless the lender's instructions specifically say otherwise, and never resize or scale the document. Use the exact paper size requested, typically letter size, and print in the correct order listed in your instructions. One thing many beginners overlook is checking page counts before leaving home. A missing page discovered at the sign-in table creates delays and looks unprofessional in front of your client. Now let's look at organizing your package. Group documents by category: loan documents, disclosures, and borrower-specific forms, and keep them in the order your instructions specify. Use tabs or sticky flags to mark signature and notarization pages so you move through the appointment smoothly. This becomes important because a disorganized package slows down the sign-in and makes borrowers anxious. A well-organized folder signals competence before you even say a word. Another important point about your role at the table: you're there to witness signatures, verify identity, and notarize where required, following your printed instructions exactly. Why is this step often misunderstood? Because sign-in agents sometimes feel pressure to explain loan terms or clarify confusing language. That's not your job. Stick to the mechanics of the signing, keep the pace steady, and direct borrowers to their lender or attorney for anything beyond the paperwork itself. Here's where it can get confusing. The Unauthorized Practice of Law, or UPL, means you cannot explain what a clause means, offer opinions on loan terms, or tell a borrower whether they should sign. You can only confirm identity, witness signatures, and complete the notarization itself. What could happen if this is skipped? Answering a legal question, even casually, can put your commission and the lender relationship at risk. When in doubt, stay silent and refer them elsewhere. One thing many beginners overlook is carefully proofing the entire package before scanning it back. Common mistakes include missing initials, skipped notarization pages, mismatched dates, and blurry scans. This is where many people become confused, because a signing can feel complete even when a page was missed. Slow down at the end of every appointment and review the whole package page by page before the borrower ever leaves the table. This becomes important because most lenders require scanbacks within hours, not days. Use a real scanner when possible. Save files as PDF and label them exactly as instructed. Now let's look at deadlines. Missing a scanback window can delay funding and damage your reputation with the signing company. Set a timer the moment you leave the appointment, and treat the scanback step as part of the sign-in itself, not an afterthought. Here's what to know about protecting client data. Loan documents contain sensitive financial and personal information, so store printed copies securely and shred anything you don't need to keep. Encrypt digital files when possible, and never leave documents unattended in your car or an open workspace. What does this actually mean in real situations? It means a single lost folder can expose a borrower's identity and end your stand-in with signing companies for good. Let's recap. A smooth loan signing starts with correct printing, careful organization, and clarity about your role at the table. Respecting the UPL boundary protects both you and your client, and prompt, careful scanbacks protect the transaction itself. What does this actually mean in real situations? It means your reputation as a sign-in agent is built one careful package at a time. Thank you for joining this lesson on print, organize, and scan back. Stay professional, stay precise, and keep serving your community with excellence. Subscribe to Oath and Ink Academy for more professional education.